welcome back to my video. And today,
that's a boring video, bro.
The first thing is, that's my first ever Animal Company video, so congratulate me.
No.
And so, I just wanted to show y'all something about this. So, there has been something going around called the gold revolvers.
Nope. Actually, money gun.
They're called gold revolvers, but people call them money guns and that stuff, yeah. And they are not released to the public, but...
I mean, they kind of already have been.
So, don't take anything, Jack. Okay?
I'm not gonna take your shit.
So, I'm gonna show y'all all the money guns that I have. Here is every single money gun.
I didn't know you have normal ones.
So,
what happened to all your different colored ones?
they're all Asian.
No?
These are colored.
Like, no, this is the only colored one. Like this one.
That's silver.
Yeah, I know.
Do you see this red one? You see this red one? What color is this?
That's not red, that's yellow.
Oh, on my screen it's red.
On my screen it's yellow.
So, guys, I'm gonna show y'all everything that money guns can do. So first of all,
they're boring. They're literally just revolvers.
If you load it, then you can do. Oh, I didn't.
They're reskins from revolvers. That's it. There's nothing special about them. Just show them the Easter update instead, bro. It's like 20 times better. Better content.
I just want to show y'all this first, and then I'll show y'all the
Oh, it's
Easter
red
update.
now. Oh, that thing's boring.
So here's what it shoots. It shoots company coins. And that one is my favorite. So, but guys, I do have a whole entire backpack full of them. Jack, stop eating fruit snacks, you freaking big back.
No, I mean.
Jack, give it back.
Alright. I was checking if there's ammo, you greedy little.
All of them are loaded.
Give it back. I was just checking.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to show y'all the new update. Oh, wait, Jack, you want my, Galaxy stick?
Bro, what the Sigma? That's gonna break.
Just take it. That's a brand new stick.
Still gonna break.
This has nothing. That has 2 money guns. That has my ammo. Nothing. Nothing.
Body.
More ammo? How much ammo do I have?
Don't ask me, ask the ammo man.
Alright, so let's go show them the update, Jack. Let's go.
Okay. I don't feel like it.
So first of all,
no, show them the tiny stuff first.
There's tiny stuff?
Yeah, the tiny stuff over here.
So first of all,
so there's
2 bundles.
There's a cool new bundle.
There's a new bundle.
This one's not new. This one's been out for a while.
Years. There
and then this one is
the hair. There is 4 different types of hairs.
This one's shiny.
It is called the Delta Hair Bundle. And I'm pretty sure this is one of the first bundles to hold an item in their hand.
Probably not. I mean, maybe.
I said
Wait,
one
we're
of
not
the
done,
first.
Preston. Preston, you're not done over here, bro.
Oh, yeah.
You have to show them everything. Then there's a bunch of eggy wings.
There's a cocoa shell set. There's a gold shell set. There's a painted shell set. There's a spring shell spread. Shell.
Oh my god, it looks so good on me, bro. It looks so
which one?
delicious on
Which
me,
one?
bro. The gold shell set. The rest of them kind of look like.
Where'd you
Yuki on
find
me.
it?
In the outfit.
Yeah, it does not. It does not match me.
Um. That's good. Gold shell set 2,250. Okay, I'm pressing. That's enough browsing in the thing. Let's go onward.
Honestly,
To the
why do
next
I look
thing.
amazing in the freaking cat? No, I look good in the kitten. Okay.
Preston, come on, enough with the cosmetics,
Okay.
bro. You're wasting their time.
You
Yeah,
told me to
yeah,
show
fam.
them it. So first of all, there's a big fan around the maps. There's
There's a bunch of big fans.
There's big fans around the map.
1,000 miles in the air.
If you do want to go on this trip, you're going to need a grapple.
No, Preston. Preston, come back here.
Coming. Oh.
The easiest way to get through the minefield is that fan.
And the easiest way to get over there is by this fan. Whee!
All the fans.
Ow.
I hit the tree.
Same.
That hurt. Not
Guys, so
Okay.
if you want to go on the trip,
Preston, wait. Let's attempt it. Let's attempt it without the grappler.
no.
Put it in your hip slot. We're going without it. Oh shit. Very, very quiet. If you wake him, if you shake him, he go back. Okay, wait, sneak around him. That's the trick. Now run! Fan!
Whee! Ow. First of all, you can buy these here. So you can mark your path. And there is a cardboard box. Also, guys,
Come on,
don't
Preston,
press
we're going.
any of the buttons, because you will die, like, instantly. Which way did you go?
Hey Preston, we're doing it without the grapplers, remember?
No.
This way. You're making bad content. I can't place any freaking more down. Music.
X marks the spot.
Come on, Preston.
Press the button, I dare you.
Okay, where is it?
Over here.
Let's just find one. Oh, I found one, Preston.
Where?
Come over here. 3, 2, 1.
Wrong button?
What?
Yeah, come over here. Wait, there's a button
Oh, to the other button.
right here.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
Run.
Nothing. Nothing. Let's
Oh,
keep
another
going.
button.
Where? Where did you go?
I pressed it.
No. Where is he? Oh, I see him! I'm running!
What the freak? I didn't know
I see
what
him.
happened!
Owie!
Well, that that's a waste of a grapple. Wait, Jack. So, do you want to show them our game that we created?
Oh, yeah, sure.
So, everybody, me and my IRL friend Jack made this game called...
What's up?
Name, two men, 4 fists, 3 men, 6 fists, and so on and so forth. So, all we do is we grab some cold fists and we just slap each other. Sometimes they will go to Mars.
That wasn't very nice.
Yes, it was. It was very nice. It was very nice. Get sent to Mars, buddy.
You keep hitting me.
Get sent to Mars. Get sent to Mars, buddy.
You wanna go? Let's go. Absolutely demolished. Oh.
You want to know who would say, sent to Mars, buddy?
Yeah!
Get sent to Mars, buddy. So,
where did you go?
This is our game called, 2 men, 4 fists. But it requires 2 men.
At least right now it's 2 men, 4 fists.
2 men and 4 fists. It has to be men.
And wait, Preston, don't hit me yet. Preston, if you want to spice, it can be girls. If you want to spice the game up a little bit, if any of you know about the game Blox Fruits, I'm about to use Buddha Fruit. It's my favorite thing to do when I'm playing this game.
I'll hold them for you. Oh, wee! Yo, can I use mice fruit?
No, not right now.
Oh. Also, this man owns every single thing in the game. When I say every single thing, I mean every single thing.
And for more to come because I have 29 research points.
It can be girls, guys, but I mostly recommend men.
Hey!
Oh, wee! Wait! 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 Jack, wait, let me do something. Let me do something. You freaking monkey. I have to grab my things. Wow! Let me grab my things.
Hey, no. No. Preston, that's cheating!
What is cheating?
Grabbing your fist in station.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Preston, MREs make it boring. No MREs. I don't know where my fist went. Bro sucks. Come and fight fight me at a station. Come and fight me at a station. Hey, get back out here.
Frick!
Where'd his gun go? I don't want him to lose it because he's very sensitive about this stuff.
Where did my gun go?
I don't know.
I said 7.
I need monies.
Hee 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 hee.
Oh well.
You're lucky I'm in a good mood today. Freaking monkey.
You're lucky I'm eating fruit snacks. Eat the stinky of cheese. Try me though. Put the gun away.
I'm missing a gun. That was my second favorite gun. Wait, which one is this? Okay. I can put that in there.
Put it in your stash. I'm gonna shoot.
It's in my stash. But guys, that will be all for today's video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe.
Wait.